as we think about finding the derivative of f of x and then finding it at the instant when x is 4, hopefully your brain is screaming about the power rule, where if we have any variable to a power, then the derivative will be the original coefficient times the new power, essentially that power is coming down, times x to the m minus 1. That's our power rule. And so this problem that we have here needs to be written as x to a power, and right now this is in the denominator. If we were to rewrite our given 2 over square root of x cubed, we could write that as 2 over x to the 3 over 2 power, but it's still not set up in this format, until we write it as 2 times x to the negative 3 over 2. Now we can apply that power rule. And to apply that power rule, we would bring the power down as a coefficient, so we have negative 3 over 2 times the original 2 times x, and we're going to subtract 1 in the form of 2 over 2. And when we do, we get negative 5 over 2. Well, another way to write that, after canceling out our 2's, is negative 3 on top and x to the positive 5 over 2 in the denominator, or negative 3 times the square root of x to the 5th. So that's our derivative, but we still need to plug in an x of 4. So we're really looking at negative 3 over the square root of 4, and I'm going to do the 5th power last just because it's going to be so much easier. If I take the square root of 4 and get 2 and then raise it to the 5th, that's equal to 32. And that's so much simpler than trying to raise 4 to the 5th power and then taking a square root. So our final answer is negative 3 in the numerator, 32 in the denominator.